Hi, friends. I'm here to read you a story. It's called Never Mail an Elephant. Now, could you mail an elephant? I think it would be a little too big to fit in a mailbox. I think. Maybe a paper elephant or maybe a stuffed animal elephant would be better to mail. Let's see why he says don't mail an elephant. One day I decided to mail my cousin Billy an elephant for her birthday. So I went to the stationery store and got lots of wrapping paper. Then I went to the hardware store and got a big ball of string. Next, I emptied my piggy bank and went to the post office to get lots of stamps. Then I went to the zoo and got an elephant. I covered the elephant with wrapping paper, wound it around the string, and tied a bow. Then I addressed it. The elephant giggled because it tickled, and I let my dog, Lucky, lick the stamps. Then I pasted them on. Lucky's tongue got stuck on the floor. I pulled him loose. Then we put the elephant on my wagon and pulled it to the corner mailbox. So silly. Then I pushed and shoved and stuffed the elephant in. You couldn't fit an elephant in a mailbox, but that is funny. As I headed for home, I met the mailman and told him about my elephant. He's probably thinking, what in the world? Mailman went to the mailbox and opened the door. Then he pulled and tugged. That's so silly. And yanked the elephant out. Then he wrestled it into his cart. And putted slowly to the post office. Postmaster put the elephant on the scale, then he stamped it. Poor elephant. The elephant went wild. Its legs shot out of the wrapping paper. It jumped into the air, crashed through the wall. Oh no. A big mess. And ran all the way back to my house. Since Dilly's birthday was that afternoon, I did the next best thing I could do. I tied a pink ribbon around the elephant. Then Lucky and I climbed on top, and rode it next door to her party. Happy birthday! That was so funny. Bye, friends. I hope you have a good day.